Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making a video on car making horn sound, like you can hear that. So I'm gonna give you tips on how to solve this. Okay, so before I go on with this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the like button. Let's go. All right guys, so the first issue that needs to be resolved if your car is making a honk sound, the horn refuses to go off whenever you tap it. So first of all, you need to check the lock here, because sometimes your key doesn't lock your door, so you have to be sure the lock is working. I repaired my own and it's working fine now, you see. So I can basically close with my key and the 4 doors are locked and I can open. And the other issue with this is maybe your door is bad, maybe your door is bad. There is a white lock here that when it gets wet or maybe water touches it, it stops working, and this can makes the car sense that there is an issue, and whenever you backdate, it starts making sound. Another quick one I need to let you know is the other problem that might be causing this might comes from this. Yeah, it might comes from this. When this is bad, it's like a sensor. There is a sensor here. I don't know if the camera can get it. This color here, when it's not working fine, it's always alerts the car to know there is a problem and your car starts making sound. Yeah, and the other thing I will tell you is checking the fuse. Yeah, checking the fuse is very, very important. You need to check your fuse. If you have a bad fuse, you have to change it. So, but for mine, the problem is this. This is the connection for the arm. You understand? It's the connection. It's a direct connect. So, whenever I put my car out and it's raining, if the water comes through here and drop on it, it makes a contact and the car starts blowing. So I have to tape it, and since I've done this, I've never been experiencing any issue about horn. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this makes sense to you. Just check everything I have to do, and I'm very, very sure you'll get the solution. So guys, subscribe to my channel, click on the like button and give it a thumb up. I love you. Catch me up in my next video.